The Euroclip offers a quick and flexible way of mounting insulation conduit, as well as armoured conduit, and comes in 6 different sizes. Euroclips make it easy for you to add and combine different sides, directions and sizes. They're also easy to separate. It can be easily mounted with the Euro plug or with the Euro adhesive plate. Of course, it can also be mounted using a screw. New in the Schnabel range is the Euro shooting plate. This new design holds one or more Euroclips perfectly in place and also allows additional adjustment. The clamp ring safely holds the shooting plate to the shooting tool. Cable ties can also be used directly on the Euro shooting plate. Fastening in and on cable lines made quick and easy through yet another product from Schnabel, the Euro Twist-On Connector. It simply twists on. The EDV is suitable for elongated holes. The ESV in cable lines with round holes. The universal locking clip is the rounding off of the Euroclip in the truest sense. The quickest way to mount conduit onto plaster is to use a single plug clip. There's also a double plug clip. To mount 2 pipes, you only need to drill 1 hole. Does the conduit need to have a fixed distance from the wall? The distance clamp makes this possible. Schnabel always helps, saving time and cutting costs.